Hello everyone. So this is my first reading. I hope you do find something of value. So basically the theme of this reading is a love story that needs to be heard. So I have shuffled and split the deck into three piles. One is your side. This is their side. And this is the third pile. Basically the theme here is what the hell is going on. So let's start with your side. Nine of Cups. So you may be focusing on yourself at the moment, maybe trying to fill your own cup, or you may be feeling a bit left out and hurt in life in general. Something may be stressing you out, and right now maybe you're trying to find balance in yourself, find your own happiness, find what brings you pleasure, what makes you happy. Your angels and your guides are with you at this moment, trying to help you. Basically, if you're feeling that your cup was broken or you don't have a cup anymore, so your angels are pouring it from theirs, so you know that you always have someone that you need. Yeah, you will always have a friend, even if you cannot see it or even if you cannot talk to it. Next is Three of Pentacles. So yes, you're working with the universe, trying to either manifest something, or you're putting your intentions out, or maybe you're just working on yourself. Maybe you've been focused too much on work, so you may not have time to have a love story basically, or you may not have time to think about a person or a connection or anything, or this may just be you being preoccupied with any other area of your life. The next is Eight of Cups. Yeah, you do feel a bit lonely, like something is amiss or something is lacking or something is missing. Basically it's about feeling not so happy, and having a reservoir of bad memories and past failures or hurt that you may be feeling, or that may be stopping you. Maybe that is what keeping you preoccupied, so you're not able to focus on someone else at the moment. Let's pull a final card for you. Yeah, this is strength, not strength. This seems to be the Justice card, so the cards are reversed. So basically your life may feel like it's on a house of cards right now, or you maybe feel like you do not have a control over what does and does not happen, or you may feel like justice is not being served to you. So mosquitoes generally represent monitoring spirits. You may feel like you're still stuck in energies of your past or past hurt, or you may be being bothered by people you do not like, or people who may be trying to basically damage your house of cards, or maybe damage you in any way, hurt you, or possibly use you. So that might be the case, or you may just not be feeling like you're ready to build something new. So much may have happened in your past that you may feel like you're not ready to live a new story or start a new story. So let's see their side now. And these can be reversed. So if you do not resonate with this side of the story, you may be able to find your place in that part of the story, so that is not a problem. This is King of Cups, King of Wands. So it looks like this person is not having a very happy time in their life either. They may have a terrible boss or a terrible ex-girlfriend that may be bugging them, or they may have like something else going on entirely in their mind. Basically they're just too preoccupied fighting whatever demon that is authoritative in their life. This may be a father figure, or this may be a family member. Basically they're preoccupied with trying to put out another fire. So that may be the case. Yeah, there's some conflict in their life that has kept them preoccupied. They also feel like they're not ready right now to talk to anyone or invest in anyone, or basically even invest in yourself. So this is not really a happy card. So while you may feel like there are stuck energies in your life, they feel like there is just too much shit going on for them to even consider what is happening outside of them. Yeah, they may feel like things are messed up. They may feel like they're just not in a place in their life right now. They may be focusing on money or bringing food to their table, so they may not have much to offer at this point. Yeah, that's not true. I mean, we all have something to offer, right? So they may feel like they need a break from whatever bullshit that has been bothering them. Yeah, they need to, reconnect with that inner child, find pleasure in ice creams and cherries and cakes, and basically do whatever makes them happy. So whatever they felt that they missed during their childhood years, reconnecting with that might help them. Yeah, so overall weather in their life is a bit stormy at the moment, and they're not in a place to uh, feel the joy. Like this girl has everything around her: chocolates and toffees and cakes and cherries and softies, and she's still about to cry from what it seems to me. So that may be something going on in their life. Not a happy life, is it? Next we have Knight of Wands. Yeah, I mean, they might be interested in something casual or something simple, or there may be someone in their life that is a bit hung up on them and keeps coming back in their life, that keeps them hurt or stuck. This is what may be bothering them at the moment. Knight of uh, sorry, Page of Wands. Yeah, I mean, when the time is right, they will find it in themselves to be happy again. Knight of Page of Pentacles is about finding joy in life again, finding happiness in simple things, finding happiness in whatever you have. So this person also needs to shift their mind mind state from being too occupied, being too preoccupied, being too hurt, or being too busy with whatever is going on, to finding pleasure in simple things, finding pleasure in life in general. Next is, what the hell is going on? Yeah, so both of you may feel like you're stuck in a shell. So, like, think of this girl as yourself and your person as this, and this also applies to them. So both of you are stuck in your own bubbles, and you're not in the space right now to find each other, even though you might be around each other. So this may be a person that you know, or have seen as a friend, or have seen as someone you like but don't have time to indulge in. Yeah, this girl is a bit too busy crying within her own shell to notice that there are other people around her, right? So you need to start with counting your blessings, start with making a gratitude list. Yeah, there is just way too many demons in both of your heads for you to take the time to find each other, or take the time to connect with each other, or talk to each other. Uh, there's also a tendency to sabotage your connections. This may be due to an addiction, or this may be due to bad habits, or basically whatever it is that you're not comfortable with. You may not be very comfortable with nudity, or you may have issues around feeling vulnerable around other people. So that may be another thing harming you and harming the connection. So next we have Tower. This is interesting. This doesn't look like a tower though. I mean, yeah, so just take a break, relax, take the support of your friends and family members. Yeah, there are people around you trying to support you. Take a break, relax, don't overthink so much. Whatever is meant to happen will happen. Yeah, something needs to be over, something needs to go for you to find your person, or for you to find reconnect with them, or find your happiness even. Something needs to go, something needs to die. The devil needs to die before the angels can fly, right? Yeah, so in one way or another, so this is Hangman. So Hangman is a card about being stuck. But in this particular deck, it's not just one person who's stuck. There are two people, two faces that are stuck, right? So both of you are stuck in both in your own messes. Both of you may be feeling too preoccupied, or you may also feeling that you have to do everything by yourself. You may be feeling unsupported, or you may be feeling that there are horrors in your past that still haunt you, so you may not be ready to have another person yet. So but you are supported, nevertheless. We have all major arcanas. This is a good thing. Now this card is strength, so we earlier had justice and now we have strength. So you need to, yeah, fight your own battles, fight your own demons. I mean, yep. So something needs to change. So interestingly, we had one major card here, I think one other here. So something needs to change for this connection to happen. uh, Something needs to shift. Right now it's just not the right time. Yeah, this is King of Pentacles. Yeah, you both need to find happiness within yourselves. You both need to feel fulfilled within yourselves for this connection to work. So instead of feeling lonely, like this card is that of a hermit, right? So instead of feeling lonely and unsupported and wondering what the hell, why, when am I going to find this person? So when you start finding joy in yourself, that's when this person will find you. Also you may be being guided to do something creative with your energy, right? uh, do some ritual work, do some spells, or whatever you want to do. Connect with your angels, connect with your guides, paint, draw, sing. So when you start feeling this pleasure from within, when you let go of the need to control the outcome of the situation, you will find this person standing right in front of you, offering them their, you know, whatever they have to offer, offering them their fire, their passion.